Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change out the decalcification cartridge on your Karcher SC3. Right now you can see we have a solid red light here. That means that the cartridge needs to be changed out. If you see it flashing, it normally means you have 2 hours use left. Then if it flashes quickly, you have 1 hour's use left. When it's on completely, it means all the time you need to change it out. So to change it out is nice and straightforward. So at this moment in time, I haven't got a new cartridge. I'm just doing this purely for the video, but make sure you put a new cartridge in, because otherwise you're going to end up having scale introduced to the actual boiler on the inside. So this is how you take the cartridge out, and then when you get your new one, you put it in all the way down, and then you need to hold down the reset button for 4 seconds. So I'm going to hold it down now for 4 seconds, and that lets the machine know that you've changed the cartridge. There you go. Yeah. So now just fill up with water and away you go again. But don't just do that and keep the same cartridge, because you're doing damage to your own machine. These take the scale out of your tap water and keep the boiler on the inside clean. So now that your light's gone off, we need to let it heat up for a good 30 seconds or so. We're going to go over to the sink and we're going to hold down the trigger for a good 30 seconds to a minute to vent the new decalcification cartridge. Now I must stress that this is not a replacement one. When you're doing it, you might hear it gurgling and stuff for the first 30 seconds or so. Now remember, make sure you've got the correct hardness settings. We've already done a video on that, because you might be changing it out too frequently. If you've put it down, by default it's down as very hard on the water, but you might live in a soft water area, so you need to change it to soft. But if yours is on soft and you live in a hard water area, again, you could be introducing scale into the boiler of your Karcher. So make sure you have your hardness setting correct as well. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.